Hello guys, so we are back with the tutorial and this is the second part of our form validation video, and till yet we have performed validation on these two things, username and the password, and with the repeat password. So now we have to do some job on email things. So we will use simply HTML5 to perform validation on email, because as of now we just need that email should be sent in right format. So for that we use type equals to email and required equals to true. Okay, that's quite simple in HTML5. So let's see if we have the correct result, and no, it doesn't give a correct result, and that's probably because we haven't declared in uh, HTML5 manner. Let's try it. Yes, it's working now. So it's because we haven't declared the HTML5 syntax here, which is doc type HTML, and now it is working with email. Okay, now email is required. It means we have to put some email. What if we do not put the correct syntax of email? Then probably it will enter, please enter an email address. The error is please enter an email address. So HTML5 has given us the feature to automatically validate the email syntax at the client browser. Alright, so let's see if we put the correct syntax here, xyz@gmail.com. Does it give any error this time? No, it doesn't, and it actually navigates the thing. So that's enough for us for this time to validate the email at the client browser. When we do the database work, we learn more ways to validate email addresses. So the next thing for us now is age. Now we have received age in the variable $age. Now what we have to do is we just need to check that the person filling up the form is over 18 years of age. Alright, so that's a simple validation. If $age is less than 18 years, then probably it shows an error, echo uh, sender, sorry, the person, sorry, you are less than 18 years to register. That's quite simple to understand, that in many sites you just need to be 18 above or something to register yourself. So that's a very simple concept to learn. Let's just see it, and let's put 10 here. Let's navigate the thing, and you can see there's out of some errors, there's one error uh, with the statement you are less than 18 years to register. Okay, so we had done the registration validation with the age of the user. So now next thing is enter mobile number. Okay, so for that we have we just need that the number of integer should be uh, equal to 10 number. Okay, so for that we can simply use string length here, or we have so we can try using strlen function here also, though it is an integer format. So let's just try if it works in this situation. So we have $mobile here, and let's suppose it should not be less than 10, or even if it is less, it is more than 10, then also the error must occur, because mobile number should be 10 10 integers. Alright, so it can just echo on its part that uh, mobile number entered is incorrect. So here here we are. All right, so that's probably make the sense actually. So we have in our form some digits in mobile number. Let's see what it gives. Okay, mobile number entered is incorrect. That's a good thing, that validation is working. Let's now put the correct form. Okay, 10 digits of the mobile number. Yeah, it is not printing any errors for now. So we have successfully done the mobile number validation as well. So it's good, we have performed some validations on the form elements. So let's see if there are any errors on the page. We have to insert some password. Let's suppose the username is Jack Ryan. Name is Jack Ryan. That's great. Let the password be Jack Ryan itself. Sorry, mistyping. Jack Ryan. Jack Ryan. Let the email be jackryan@gmail.com. Let the age be 21 years of age, and let the mobile number be as it is. Let's submit the query. According to me, it's all right. Yes, as you can see that there is no error on the processing page. So we can see that we have successfully validated some things, and it's really a basic type of validation. And there is no such specialty in this validation, but we do more when we move to our database validation concepts. So it's good for now. We can just print the message that there has no errors been occurred. For that we can use a flag, dollar flag with the initial value 0. uh, Even if any of the uh, any of the errors occur and the if conditions execute, then we can simply put the flag to 1, so that we can know that some error has occurred in our last if condition. That's quite simple to understand. And last condition for now is if dollar flag equals to 0, then we can print validation successful, and there are no errors on the form actually, in the form. That's quite good. So if we have flag 0, then only this condition will be true. So let's save it and let's see if this perfectly works out. Okay, we just have to put the password here. Submit query. Validation successful, and there are no errors in the form. That's quite great. Okay, let's just make a mistake in the password Jackryan. Then let's make the repeat password Jackryan2. Let's see if there are errors around. Password doesn't match, so it's a genuine error that it is showing. So I think you have got the basic concept as of how we can conduct the basic form validations. It's a very good concept to understand. It's really good to implement, and I would recommend that you perform the code by yourself and just take the help from the video after learning it. And you can download the source code as well, but this is actually not the convention to be followed. So just perform the code by yourself. It's not that hard, it's not very complex. It's just that just grab the concepts, you see the videos for two three times, you understand some concepts, and you understand things we have used here, some string functions, some predefined functions like pragmatch, and many more things like retrieving post values and putting flag values, putting if conditions, and many things more. So it's very important to understand these things on our part, and it's really not that hard. The things will get complicated when we move to the database validations and checking the database for uh, previous values, and updating the DB on some conditions, and many more. So that's all for this video. In the next video we'll see how we can just structure these errors in a nicely mannered form. So it will be a very fun thing for us, because we'll be using arrays, and we'll be using some looping statements to display these errors out of the array. And also we'll be redirecting the page to the back to the HTML form page using some resource locator. So that will be a very good thing. So stay tuned, and that's all for the basic validation we have done. Just go through the code. Thank you very much.